Hi everyone, it's Reese from Pro Santa again. So I was in a meeting with a group of senior leaders from a school the other day, albeit virtually over Teams, and we were just talking around student experience whilst using distance learning, or in fact any type of learning using Microsoft Teams, and how could they get some consistency of experience, and the different devices that they may have, whether that's a Windows device provided by the school or a mobile device that they use. So today I'm going to have a go with Microsoft Teams or as a student on an iPhone. So before anyone says it, yes, I do have a lot of unread messages. Anyway, we're going to have a quick dive in to see what it's like as a student. Enjoy.
So I'm going to go into Microsoft Teams, load that up. So you can see here that we've got our activity feed. It's got any mentions that the teachers have given me, any assignments. I think actually students, particularly of a secondary age, are quite used to this with their social media presence. We've got chat, if that's enabled. We've got our classes under Teams, and again, it gives me those notifications for new stuff within those teams. It's got my assignments. I think this bit actually, I've got assignments. I know I've got assignments, but they don't show up into them. But I'm not quite sure why that is, and we won't touch on calendar. But as you can see, I can click on the activity. I can see my teacher set me an assignment. Click on View Assignment, and this is a quiz. So we can click on that. We can answer the quiz. Actually, they've got this really cool feature that will read it out loud as well. So if you have problems reading, etc., you can play this. So I think that's really cool with the immersive reader. Microsoft are pretty big on that with their accessibility range, and that is throughout the whole of the Microsoft products. So let me just finish this quiz. If I actually spelled that correctly. Click on Submit. Click on View Results. I can see instantly right and wrong answers. Close that down. It gives me a nice little ice cream. So that's all good. I can add attachments, photos, and so on straight from my phone. Yeah, I mean, I think as an app, it's not actually that bad for a pupil. I guess it really depends on the actual work that you're setting. But anyway, there's the iPhone Teams app, a quick tour of that and how a student will see it. Hope you enjoyed.